Hello. It's starting to come through. It's just gone 4 in the morning. It's 4:30 a.m. Saturday. There's a few flying in here at the moment. Hey, see that one? That was a cooter one. He came straight up to my face and then took off straight away. Just some of my mates, I won't have a mini there. They won't want to be in front of the camera and that. They're a bit different. They're, a bit different sort of. They don't have, a couple of them got computers and that, but, they won't want to come and sit in front of the camera. Yeah. They're a bit different. But I'll get my neighbour. I think that was a bug or something, that one that flew there. But there's an orb, see the orb? You can see them. That's how bright they are. Look at them coming in slowly. See how they're... See, it's early in the morning now. They're just doing their thing. This is how I got she-being at this time of the morning. Real bright one. Just wonder if I could make it darker. But as I was saying, I'll go to my neighbour down here, a lady named Doris. She's been here as long as I have. She knows. She's came in and seen him and that. And she'll come up here and sit with me. Feel comfortable with her. Just some people I don't feel comfortable with because they're intrigued too much by it. But it's intriguing, but the orbs, they might be... It's just hard, if you relax a bit, it's like they get scared. They probably get scared too. They probably, it's just the same as like, if you're going to ghost hunt, if you're scared, the spirit's going to be scared, or the alien's going to be scared, and they're going to run off. And they're going to just keep run up to you and run off again. But if you're calm, they'll be calm and they'll just play. They'll just do what they do. But see, like if someone comes in excited and that, and they'll take advantage of it, and then I don't want a person to be taken advantage of, and I don't like it. It just makes me feel uncomfortable. And then they'll sit there and they'll go all quiet. But Doris will come in and I'll get Doris down the bottom. I'll ask the lady down the bottom here to come in. She'll come and have come in and talk and tell you about them. She'll tell you what's been happening in her house. So that one, look at that bright one come down next to my head. Awesome. Is she being around? Can I just have she being fly in if she's around? Please, big bright one. If it's her name is she being, I call it she being. Hey, they're just cruising around. Hey. Orbies, where would you like me to put the camera so I could film you? Go towards where you want me to put the camera. See that bloke coming back through on the chair again? And the one up the top too. Here, there, that's wicked. Here we go. That's perfect. Look at that one too. Another one coming up the top. He's in there all the time. He must just stay in there all day. Then on that cushion, look at that. Oh, I'm missing the bright ones. Could one big bright one fly to where you want me to put the camera? Please? I'm asking you, Orbies. Was that mean over here? Right next to me. See, I don't know if that don't know what they meant. See, I never asked them actually where they want me to put the camera. See, I can on the ground. The ground view is pretty good because you get heaps. I like the ground view. There you go. You can see every corner. See how they just come in? I've got to sit down. Oh, over. Just walking in front of the camera. See how I moved in and they come from over there? There we go. Here they come. Can I have one come between my legs and go around it or something? Do the twist. Please. Oh yeah, look how here they come. Awesome. Yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. This is where I got She Being flying through up there. And that's when I had them cushions. I had them up top there, video number 72. And she flew in, done the circle, and flew out. They're pretty bright. They come through pretty bright in the morning. Sorry if that's a bit reflective. I really need it facing so you can see the light if I'm in the way. Here we go. Look how bright they are. Coming straight through that front door. See the sun's starting to daybreak. See them come straight through it. There's no wind in here. It still is. That's how still it is. Look. That's how still it is in here. Orby, attack the plastic. Go. Oh, see him? Did you see that one go? Oh, you wouldn't have seen it. Oh, spewing, sorry. Can I have another one go do it? Please? Okay, when I put this one down. 1, 2, 3. No. See, I'd like to just leave it on all night so you could watch it one day, but you know, I won't, because even look under the bed, like down here. Look down here. See, they can do it from anywhere. Right down there. Oh, you can't really see it. Not my legs, nice legs. Alright, we'll go a bit higher. There we go. A bit higher, you can see them a bit better. See them coming through the front door and that? Yeah, I'll get embarrassed with other people here, you know, because it's harder, you know. It's easy, like I'm here talking in front of the camera now, but you know, it's embarrassing when other people here. Look at that at my front door. At the daybreak, I've got 1 minute left. See him up there? There he is. Coming through pretty good. Here we go. Oh, I wish I could have followed him then. Here we go. See how big and bright that one was? They're going straight in front of that cushion. Another one going straight in front of the cushion. Same spot. Exactly the same spot. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you enjoy them. Appreciate the video net nonsense done.